What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your PayPal gift card. Let's start by opening a browser on your device. Then search for paypal.com and open this website. After that, log into your PayPal account. When you're logged in, make sure that you stay on the website, not in the PayPal app. In here, click the three lines above. Then click the wallet button. Now tap on the link a card or bank button. And then choose what card or bank that you want to connect PayPal. For example, let's use a bank account. Now enter the details of your bank on the space provided. After filling this out, tap the link your bank button below. Then after linking your bank or card, then you can go ahead and enter the PayPal gift card details and redeem it. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.